World's most annoying noise. Right there. Really, LadyBug? Really, LadyBug? What is your problem right now? What is your problem? Why do you do this to me? That looks painful. It looks really cute. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey. What's your deal? You're not a woodchuck. This isn't wood. Goodness. Ow, don't eat it. So usually, that is so cute. Usually when hamsters do this, they need something to chew on. So they're not driving you crazy chewing on the bars all night. So I'm going to give her a new toy. Oof, maybe some more food. And see if this doesn't stop this problem, because damn, this is annoying.